Hi, I'm Dr. Zach Pressman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in shoulder and elbow surgery. I'll be working out of the Edina and Prairie locations. I was born and raised in Minnesota. I grew up in Mendota Heights. For medical school, I went to St. Louis University in St. Louis, Missouri. For residency in orthopedics, I went to Wright State University in Dayton, Ohio. And for fellowship, I did a shoulder and elbow fellowship at Johns Hopkins in Baltimore. A couple of fun facts about me. My wife and I have a son who never stops moving and keeps us all busy. When we can, we like getting outdoors. So whether it's going to the zoo, going out snowshoeing or kayaking, or going to national parks like Zion or Red River Gorge in Kentucky, we just try to get outside and do those things. I also have a passion for music. I've been studying piano for pretty much my whole life. I love listening to classical music as well as playing. It's a great way to unwind after a stressful day. I'm excited to join TCO for several reasons. First of all, I think they have world-class facilities. The surgeons and staff are all top-notch, and everybody really has the same drive in taking care of patients, doing the right thing for patients, and putting the patient first.